Hi there, and welcome to At Tony's Garage. The 2010 championship, organized by the Stéphane Ratel Organisation, SRO, spanned 10 events in 10 countries on 3 continents. 12 teams participated in the championship, with each team operating independently from the automobile manufacturer they represented, although they received some limited support from their respective manufacturers. Aston Martin, Corvette, Ford, Lamborghini, Maserati, and Nissan were all represented by 2 teams each. Lamborghini would be represented by previous Lamborghini FIA GT campaigners, Reiter, and Munich Motorsport. The Lamborghini Murciélago LP670 RSV GT1, with the number 24, was a race car specifically built by Reiter Engineering, for the 2010 FIA GT1 World Championship, and it was based on the Lamborghini Murciélago LP674 SuperVeloce, a high-performance variant of the Murciélago model. The car featured aerodynamic enhancements such as a revised front splitter, rear wing, and other modifications to improve downforce, stability, and overall handling characteristics. As a GT1 racing car, the Murciélago LP670 RSV GT1 aimed to deliver impressive lap times, high speeds, and intense on-track competition against other GT1 class contenders. The 1/43 scale replica of the Lamborghini Murciélago LP670 RSV GT1, made by Spark, captures the detailed design and features of the actual race car in a smaller, collectible form. Tell me if you'd like me to make a more detailed review of this Murciélago, or of any particular model car. And don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!